or I think this is the most interesting story that we're going to talk about today, man. This is about the passport bro in Thailand. This actually just broke, man. I believe this. Yeah, it broke. It happened a day ago. And shout out to worldstarhiphop.com. This passport bro came to Thailand on some interesting circumstances. So let's read the caption here before we play the video. He, bro, let me see if I can enlarge the text for you guys, man. This is funny. He wanted a happy ending. She gave him a blade instead. A Chicago man, part of the growing passport bro wave. How did they know he's a passport bro, by the way? Okay. Ended up in a dangerous situation while overseas in Thailand. Things allegedly went left. So went left, for the people that may not know like a certain slang, went left, it means things have gone wrong. So things allegedly went left inside a Laguna Beach condo after a disagreement over a financial transaction.
Damn.
If you know, you know. So for my people that don't know, that is, you know, you pay for play, right? That's for pay for play, essentially. So the woman pulled out 2 knives and cut his forearm, but he managed to disarm her and drag her into the hallway. Holy shit, bro. Surveillance footage caught it all. Local authorities are said to be investigating the incident, though no charges, I can't even read. No charges have been officially confirmed at this time. Damn, like, are y'all ready for that? Like, to watch this? Like, this is, even reading it is kind of insane if you really think about it. And honestly, if you're gonna ask for any services and you know that there's a financial component to it, just be okay with paying, bro. Like, prepay if you have to. But I think it's an L if you have to do all of this just to get someone out of your apartment or condo or what have you. Just pay, bro. Like, you wanted the service, just pay. So this guy from Chicago, let's give him the L of the week. All right, man. Without further ado, this is a story that you guys are probably tuning into this live stream for. Let's go ahead and watch the video. And just to preface it, that doesn't get really violent, and we do not condone violence at all towards women. Just being clear, this is this is reality. This is what happened, and we're just showing the evidence from this incident here. So if you are very sensitive to that type of content, you may want to turn off this live stream, but we're going to play this video. It may be a little sensitive for some people, but I'm just letting you guys know. So let's go ahead and watch this guy from Chicago take an L. He's not part of the passport bro movement because he just made a fool of himself. He's not in that group. Let's get it. No audio, by the way. All right, I'm gonna try to see if I can notate it a little bit or like narrate it. All right, so it looks like they're fighting. Pushes him out in the hallway. Yo, you can see like the knife right there in her hand, bro. Bro, can y'all imagine? I'm gonna let it play. But imagine if someone that is in your apartment has like a knife and you're fighting them, bro, and you have nothing but your hands. This is crazy, bro. Look at this. Yo, she's actually like standing her ground though. And he's trying to pull her into the hallway, and she's pulling him back into the apartment. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, dude, this is bad. This is not good. No, I don't condone that, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is like a Cassie and Diddy moment right here. Y'all seen that, like Cassie and P. Diddy at the hotel, that surveillance footage? This is akin to it, but this guy is just more broke than Diddy. Bro, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Bro. Bro was really... All you have to do is pay her, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh. And she calmly walks up. Bro, let's look at some of the comments, man. The casual walkout afterwards is crazy. He must have been confused regarding the fact that the exchange rate... Bro. Must have tried to throw her something real disrespectful like $39. Yo. Oh man, she had that knife trying to end him for real. Yeah, like a knife like that, bro, is nothing to play with. I'm actually just like, this is crazy work, bro. Trying to end him for real, but he handled it like a real man. What, bruh? Nah, whoever this person is, because he was only trying to fight her off and get her out without... This person just doesn't understand the context of that video and what happened prior. So I'm disregarding that comment for sure. Like, it's terrible. Seems to me like she was trying to get to someone on the inside because she could have poked him with that knife. No, bro, like she tried to for sure. This is not a lady, or he would have been cut. Bruh. That hamburger. Oh my gosh, bro. Is this one of the lady boys? Hey, she got power, bro. She got strength. She pulled him back into the apartment. So I don't know, man. Looks very much like something her... Okay, bro, you got the grammar, man. And just to act like nothing happened shows you the demons people you mess with are out of it and they just want to create destruction. Stay away from men you just want to control and use, and stay away from women you just... Okay. It's lame, especially if it's a news story of deletion comes out of it. I don't know, man. That's so weird. And it honestly, I think Thailand is gonna be the new Sosua, or at least Pattaya is the new Sosua, and they're not gonna really like tourists in Pattaya after a while, man. After stories like this, and it's going viral, and this is going viral, and this is a bad look on American tourists, period. Not just because of what happened with like the transaction or whatever, but just overall, it makes American tourists look bad in Thailand. And this type of behavior shouldn't be condoned. It should be condemned, right? Like, whoever this guy is from Chicago, just ban him from ever traveling to Thailand ever again, and just never allow him back into the country. It's easy. Get him out, man. Okay. What did you guys think, man? The chats are open and we are responding back and forth with chats. Let me know, and we can move on to the next.